All right, how you guys doing today? Awesome, awesome. So let's talk about how you can build an online business today using a free system. What about how much do you want to really make? Right? That should be because it's not all about building the online business. It's also how much you're going to make, right? Because if you're not making money, after building your online business, a waste of time, right? So do you want to make like $3,000 every month? That would just be about $100 in a day, right? So that should be easy. Others want to get it up to $5,000, and others may want to even get it higher, like me, right? Now, why do you want to build an online business? Now, there are just three main reasons, right? Especially for me. Uh, let's talk about the first one is location freedom, right? Uh, you want to be free. You don't want to be held down, and that's awesome, right? You don't want to be held down by anybody. Once you have internet and you have a laptop or a simple smartphone, sometimes you don't even need more than a smartphone. In like 90% of the time, I'm using my smartphone to make money. So for most people, just having a smartphone is enough, right? So that's the truth, right? I know it's tiny looking thing using a smartphone to try to make money online, but I still tell you it's enough. Is enough. You don't need more than a smartphone. But then if you have a laptop, iPad or something, it's still okay. Because sometimes you want to see, you want to set up in a larger view. Like I like setting up in a larger view then, but every other operation I do, is literally on my phone. so, so, so that means making money online is easier, right? So we are talking of the why, the why, so the why is simple, right? You because of location freedom, you want to be free. You want to be able to like travel and still be making money. You want to be on vacation and still be making money. You want to be with your family in the park or somewhere having fun and still be making money. You want to be in any country in the world and still be making money, right? So that's why setting up an online business remains the best, right? I watch, yeah, was it yesterday? And I see what Donald Trump in America is talking about now, right? He's talking of setting up an AI thing. Everybody is talking of just, when you talk of AI, you are still talking of online. Yeah. So the world has gone online. I was just thinking about it. I'm like, wow, the world has gone online. And we have to be ready for these things, right? And one of the best way to be ready when all this AI is going to be taking over your jobs and, doing everything, is for you to know for you to set up your online business, right? Because I think that's the only way you could escape this kind of, the thing that is coming up in the future is just to have an online business, right? Because I don't see any other way, right? A lot of people are going to lose their job. I know the president said that, it's going to create more jobs, right? But what it's going to end up doing is going to throw a lot of people out of work. So you only have those people who are technologically sound getting jobs. That's just what it means, right? So for those who are not techie, they are going to lose their jobs, right? I see AI and robots just working in the factories right now. They are picking the boxes. So if you work in those places, you know you're likely going to lose your job in the future. If you are flipping burgers, you know you're likely going to lose your job, right? And now some countries have all this robot that serves in the restaurant. So a lot of restaurant workers are still going to lose their. So it's getting crazy, right? It's getting crazy, right? It's just sad the way, but we still have to be excited because right now you have an opportunity to start your own online business. You want to make sure you start right now. I'm telling you, we don't know what the world is turning into. But when you have your online business, you're already on the internet, right? If things are changing, you change with them. That's just it. It's just as simple as that, right? It's just as simple as that. Now, when you're starting an online business, how do you go about it? Oh, we're talking of the advantages, right? Okay, that's true. So like I said, there should be location freedom, and then there should be time freedom too, right? You want to have your time. You don't want to be restricted by time. You don't want to work for my online business. I think I spend between 30 minutes to 1 hour in a day. So easy, right? It's nice. And then the final one is financial freedom. Okay, you want to also get to a point where you are earning consistent income. Let's say you get to a point where you're already earning $100 every day. So that's $3,000 in a month. And if you can up it up, right? And look, the difference between making $3,000 a month to making $5,000 a month and then 10,000 and above is just the marketing. It's not more than that, right? So the more money you have, the more you can invest into marketing. Because the number of buyers are already there, right? We have billions of people out there. So the problem we really have is reaching out to those billions of people. It's not, that's the main problem. So that's why you want to start making money now. At least try and make up to $100 a day, and then then you could have more money to put into more marketing and create more opportunity for you. It's just as simple as that. But let's not talk about that. So when you are setting up your online business, some few things that is very important, right? The product. Now, if you check Amazon sells a lot of physical product, and you may just decide to look at Amazon, which is a gold standard, right? And then you start selling physical products. That may not be the way to go, right? Because with physical product, you have to keep buying the product over and over again. The product has to be manufactured, then it has to be shipped to you, and then you need to be able to ship it out yourself, deal with customer service, deal with returns and all those things, right? And when you look at the way President Trump is talking a lot about tariff, that means the cost of physical products are going to go higher, and that is going to really affect your business. So physical product is not, for us who are online, is not the very best way to make easy money, right? If you want to make difficult money, I understand. But you are trying to make money easily, have your time. Physical product is not the best for you, okay? So the best is digital products. Okay, for me, I love softwares a lot. I love website building softwares. I love email sending, autoresponder softwares. I love traffic softwares. Softwares That is what I like a lot, and I promote a lot of them, and I make money from them, right? So I like that a lot, okay? Now, you want to make sure whatever product you are promoting have a very high demand, because if people don't want it, it's not gonna it's not gonna work, right? Yeah, as long as they don't want it, you're not gonna make money with it. So make sure these are products that are in very high demand, okay? And then it has to pay you recurring income. You know, when it comes to recurring income, a lot of people don't get it. And I will still make a video about recurring income another day, right? But let me put it this way. Recurring income, when you check your debt, let's start with your debt, your rent. For those of you that have mortgage, your credit card debt, your car loans, your utility bills, all these things are debt, okay? And they are monthly recurring. That means every month you must pay them, right? So the only way to counter such things is to be able to earn recurring payments. That's the only way, right? So that's why whenever you are promoting or you are selling anything online, it has to pay you every month, right? Consistently. And the reason you want that, apart from the fact that you have debts and that are recurring, and then you are going to earn income that are recurring. Another reason you want that to happen for you is this, right? It takes away the heavy load. A lot of people don't get it. You see, it's so difficult to get one buyer. Yeah, I've been promoting for a while, right? So I can tell you that it's difficult to get one buyer. So you have to do a lot of promotion for you to get just one buyer, right? Now, if you are promoting products that do not pay you every month, that means once you make that one sale, you have to start from square one again, right? You have to start promoting again and again, looking for the second buyer. That is a lot of job, right? That's why I don't like physical products, right? Because that's the same thing. With physical products, once you sell off the shoe, you have to go and get another shoe and then look for another customer. But when you are selling a digital product that is recurring, you just sell once, and then every month you are going to be earning money, right? Now, think of Netflix. Yes, Netflix is an example of a recurring business that's awesome, right? We subscribe to Netflix every month. Every month we are paying, right? So if you have a product like Netflix, every month the customer pays, you make commission. So that's what I'm talking about here. I hope that example was clear, right? That's what I'm really talking about. So you need a product like that pays you every month. So it's a subscription-based product, and you only get that with softwares. And that's why you see I am only focused on softwares, right? Even when I don't promote, I just go to my back office, I just see I'm making sales consistently. And it's because most of the product that I promote are subscription based products, and that's what I want you to do too, so that when you work hard once, that should be it, right? And that your effort continue to pay you for many months to come, many years to come. All right, now let's talk about fully automated system, right? So I am using a system called the Super Affiliate Funnel. This is a fully automated online store system, right? Now, when you talk of an online store, your mind should go straight to Amazon. Amazon is an online store platform with multiple products. Now, the Super Affiliate Funnel is also an online store platform, but with only 7 products, okay? And most of those products are softwares with subscription. So you can see why I love it so much, right? So they just keep making you money over and over and over again. So now, why is this system, why do we call it fully automated? Because you don't have to do anything once you join. So all you need to do is this. You just join for free, right? Then you set up your own online store, and then you add products to your store. And like I told you, there are only 7 products in this system that you can add. Now, all right. So once you've done that, the only thing you do, share your link. It's so simple. So once you share your link, the system takes over. One, it builds your email list. Now, an email list is a list of your potential customers, right? So with this system, you are able to build a large email list. 2, it automatically follows up with your customers, okay? So the system follows up with your customers by email, by video, by webinars, guys. It's powerful, right? And then thirdly, it closes sales for you. So you don't have to do any form of recruiting, no telling, no selling, nothing. The system does everything for you. So this is a powerful online store system, and it's so amazing, guys. So now, I don't want to go on anymore right now. If you have any question, just leave it in the comment section or send it to my messenger. And then if you want to get your hand in this free online store system, I'm just going to leave a link description above or below. Go ahead, click that link, get started. All right, so with that, I'm done for today. I will see you again. Take care. Bye.